I'm going to go over how to complete the baking soda and vinegar slide. So this one instructs you to first watch a video of a baking soda and vinegar chemical reaction. I'm sure many of you have seen that done before, and you can even do it at home if you want to. Then you're going to use the table below and the atom models to complete the chemical reaction. This time, instead of having the atoms on the slide like you had, or on the side like for slide 5, you're going to actually be taking the atoms from the reactants and rearranging them into the products, because that's really what happens in a chemical reaction. You've been provided with all the atoms that you need to complete this. You have baking soda and vinegar, and when they combine, they react to form sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. The first one that I'm going to build over here is sodium acetate. I see that the chemical formula for that is NaC2H3O2. That means I need to find one Na, or sodium atom, and I find it here in baking soda. I'm going to drag it over here. I need 2 carbon atoms. I'm going to take one from the baking soda, and I'm going to take one from the vinegar. I need 3 hydrogen atoms. I'm going to take one from over here, another one from over here, a third one from over here. And I need 2 oxygen atoms. I'll take one from here and one from here. Again, it doesn't matter what order you connect them in. There are bonding rules that atoms always follow, but you'll learn about that when you get a little bit older. You'll complete that process for water as well as for carbon dioxide, finding the atoms that you need over here in the reactants and moving them over to this side with the products.